Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the USPS Click-N-Ship. This is a simple way to buy and print your shipping label at home so that you do not have to spend extra time doing it at the post office. So first, go to the USPS.com, place your mouse over the send menu and click Click and Shop. After that, sign in to your USPS account or create one if you do not have one yet. So once you're in, type in your return address and the receiver's address carefully to make sure that your package goes through the right place. Next, choose the type of package that you are using, whether it is on your own box or USPS packaging. Then enter the package weight and size. After that, pick the shipping service that you want, like Priority Mail or Priority Mail Express, and add any extra options that you need, such as insurance or signature confirmation. And when everything looks correct, go ahead and pay for the label, then print it and attach it well to your package. So last, drop it off at a USPS location or schedule a free pickup from your home. And then that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.